Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your shifter and shifter boot and all these crevices around it without a vacuum. But first, a little cold start. Alright, first things first, let's handle the top of the shifter. You're going to want to put your hand over the thing like this, that way you don't get anything on your center console. And then generously apply your detailer. And then you're going to take your brush and make sure to get it into all of these little crevices and brush down your whole shifter. And then once you're done, you're going to want to dry everything off nice and easy. And then with your brush, you're going to take your detailing spray. You're going to spray directly into the middle, and then you are going to brush your whole shifter boot. Make sure to get those fibers from the brush into all of the crevices, including on the outside. And what spraying the detailer spray does is it actually allows this to stick to the dirt. That way you pick up most of it. Now for our second step, it already looks 10 times better. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our spray, we're gonna take our slightly nicer towel now, and we are going to spray one more time on our shifter and a few more times right here. And since this towel is much more absorbent, you can actually spray it directly on everything. Just make sure not to hit the hazards like I just did. And don't be afraid to push it one way. Your car's not going to go anywhere. You did make the best choice and get a manual. Just make sure not to accidentally push it into any of the gears, because you will definitely grind a gear. Hey guys, this is me from like 20 minutes in the future. I just realized, make sure you wash this gently with some water. That way you get all the dirt from detailing out of the brush. All right, back to the video. And now for this lower portion, it's the same procedure. Just wipe it down. You can use circular or straight motions, whichever you find easier. And detailing your car does not need to be difficult. So, boom, we're done after what, maybe 2 minutes? Not even. But also, if you have a Camaro, you might actually need a vacuum to get into these crevices down here, because those take a lot more effort to get a brush in there, and you might end up destroying your brush in the process. But if you like this style content, please like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see me detail in the future. And mind you, this will not be as good as a vacuum, but you'll get 99.9% of everything. And also, if you liked my towel, or these brushes, or my Oracle detailing spray, well, not mine, but all these are Amazon affiliates, so I do make a small percentage if you buy from the links below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.